Hello everyone, Collectaholic here. Today we're going to be opening up some Topps 2024 Archives Baseball. Hey guys, finally found this in the wild. Actually, when I went online to Target.com, these blaster boxes said online only. So I thought you could only get them online because I couldn't find them in Target or in Walmart. So today I stopped by. So I ordered some online, figuring that's the only place you could get them for some reason. I don't know why. But then I went to Target today and there they were. I'm so pissed because now I have some more coming, but which I didn't really want to order. But that's alright. Hopefully we'll get something good in some of this stuff. This is the new archives. You have 56 total cards, 7 packs per box, 8 cards per pack. And these are the blaster boxes. Find 4 exclusive black parallels per box. That's pretty cool. Here's all the different inserts. And if you guys want to read this, I don't know if you can. Maybe I'll take the plastic off first. (1961, 1970, and 94 designs. The inserts: 1953, 1996, and 2006. Alright guys, well, let me throw my stands up. I haven't thrown them up. Hopefully I'll be able to put some cards on these stands. That would be pretty nice. So I do have some more of these packs coming in the mail. Just Target, when you order stuff on Target, it takes like 2 weeks. I don't understand why, but it takes like 2 weeks before they even you see your product, whatever you ordered. 7 packs. Pack number 1. Wish me luck. Gavin Williams rookie card. If you have not seen the packs, probably all different. Zach Neto, Jake Berger, Wyatt Langford rookie. We have a Own the Game, Alec Bohm. Bomb. I like that card. We do have a PC of Mr. Bomb. I'm going to throw that up there. You have a JP Crawford, CJ Abrams, and a sweet Ernie Banks. Liking that card as well. Jonathan India, Jeremy Pena, Yariel Rodriguez rookie, Yariel, Justin Steele, Jordan Alvarez. Nice, Garner Henderson. This is one of the blacks. I think it said you get 3 per box. And that is a pretty sweet looking card. Alright, hopefully Gunner can do something this year. We have a sweet David Wright, PC, Rhys Hoskins. I PC a lot of players. Basically all the stars from every team, but there are some stars that I PC'd years ago that need to come out because they're not stars anymore. Anthony Volpe, sweet. I'm going to put that one up there just because it's my Yankees. George Kirby, Jacob Young rookie. Ooh, and another black. Ooh, this one's not shiny. Ken Griffey Jr. That is sweet. This one has the shine to it, and this one don't. Alrighty then. Ken Griffey, always, and this one's much thicker. Oh, not numbered though. Always Ken Griffey, one of my favorite players of all time. Willie Castro, probably most people's favorite players. Nolan Arenado. Ooh, sweet Ohtani. and a Luis Robert Jr. Ohtani always goes up there. I am a big Ohtani collector. Something shiny in here. Nice Pedro Martinez. I PC him as well. Ryan Sandberg. Roger Clemens. PC. So Dave Winfield. It's like almost every card in these boxes goes to my PC. Almost. Dave Winfield. Mitch Haniger for the Mariners. Let's see if this is numbered. This is not numbered, but it is a beauty. But I do not collect. Mitch Haniger is one guy I don't PC. Tariq Skubal. Pretty cool. I'll put that up there. Pretty cool insert. Hey, no knocking down Shohei. There we go. Johan Rojas, rookie. And a Joey Lopafito. I probably said that wrong. Sorry, Jody. It's not like you're watching my channel. But if you are, I'm sorry. I know Jeter is. Alright, next pack we have a Willy Adames. A sweet Freddie Freeman. Charlie Blackmon. Ooh, awesome Ricky Henderson. Andrew Benintendi. Kerry Carpenter Black. This one has the shine to it. And Shohei said, "Get off of me, Screwball." Screwball. You know what? Let's just put him right there. Alright, we have a Sal Frelick rookie. Nice. And a Riley Green. Alright, guys, 2 packs left. Eloy Jimenez. London Knack rookie. We have a nice Ozzy Albies. Noelvi Marte. Rookie card. A sweet Tatis insert. The Wrecking Crew. And we have a nice Juan Soto. Jerkson Profar. And a sweet Sonny Gray. Alright, last pack. Reese Olson rookie. Heston Kjerstad rookie. Jung-Hoo Lee rookie. Will Smith. Lourdes Gurriel Jr. This has some shine to it. Nice one there. That's the black. We have a Sean Murphy. Carl Yastrzemski. Sweet. And a nice Rod Carew. Alright guys, nothing too great, but these are fun to open up. I really like them. I guess everybody have a great night. Until next time.